Hey everyone, your boy Tian is back and I slept for a while. It's currently 5:43 a.m. in the morning. So it is morning, it's not midnight, but I'm still sleepy. So the reason I came back, I promised you guys that I will make that do while video. And I came to fulfill that promise, the legacy. The amazing do while video that you won't find anywhere else in the whole internet. So I'm just gonna make this comment, but before that let me go through this line of codes a bit. So here we saw the while loop, and in the while loop we said that I is equal to 1, then I can be less than 10, and console log this line, then plus I. So suppose we set the value of I is equal to 10. So we already have the output over here, but the moment we have the value of I equal to 10, and if I just save this, there won't be anything to show for, because the condition won't be fulfilled, therefore it won't be here in the console area. So that's where do while loop comes to the rescue. So it's like the superhero. So with while loop you won't get anything if the condition is not fulfilled, but it's not the same scenario with the do while loop. So let's see what do while loop can give us. So first you write do, then you can just output something like anything. What can I say? Aquaman is under the water or something like that. So here let's just copy this line. Why copy? Let's just comment out this portion. So we only have I equal to 10, not 10. We only have I equal to 1, and console log this, then I have I plus plus. Then here I can just write while I less than 10. Okay, so this is the same condition like this one. So I less than 10, I less than 10, I plus plus, I plus plus, and I equal to 1. So if I just save this one, so I should be seeing this line, this code 9 times. So let's make that backtick again, and here let me remove this one, and this one is under 1 water, 2 water, so it will show me the number. So if you remember, we had something like this with the while loop as well, but whenever I set the value of I equal to 10, we got nothing. So if I just set I value equal to 10 and save this right now, I will still get this one line of code over here. What do while loop does, it first go through this, and whether your condition satisfies or not, it will run anyway. So whether it's less than 10 or not less than 10, this line of code will run at least once. Then it will go through the code, and then it will see whether it's going with the condition or not, but at least the code will run for once. But this is not the same case with while loop. Let me comment, let me turn off the comment and hit save. So we can only see one line of code that is being generated from here. Aquaman is under the water. So yeah, so this is the main difference between while loop and do while loop. I guess you guys understand this right now, and your life is fulfilled right now, because without this knowledge, where were you all this time? This is the knowledge that you were missing all this time. So now you can just go out and make big applications and conquer the world, while I conquered the bed that I have beside me because I need to sleep. I'm super sleepy right now. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. So I have already posted like 12 videos in this modern JavaScript tutorial series, and 12 down, still 88 to go, as I planned to make 100 video series in this playlist. So I will just sacrifice my sleep and everything until I get to that point. No, I won't, but I will go to that point as soon as I can. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. If you guys enjoyed this one and want to see more of this, then hit that red button that you can see in my channel. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then.